Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok profile URL. So the first step is to open the TikTok app on this Android device. So when it's open, you will go in the profile icon is the right below. So when it's completely open, now what to do, you will see there is the share profile button. You will just simply click to the share profile button. So here you will see the copy the link. You can copy link and paste it where you want to paste and send it to someone. So you will also share link directly on these social media platforms like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and direct SMS. You can also send in email address. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.